Is the little red light on? Is it blinking?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I don't want to go out like this.
Yeah, I was asking for a chance, and I see you getting all right. Hey.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So I decided to just make today's video just a little POV drive. Me and the fam are going to Red Rock. It's a really nice area. You can see mountains and everything. Has some nice windy roads. So I figured this is a perfect opportunity to get a nice POV drive in for you guys. So you guys can hear the turbo and just see how the car drives. I got the fam here. I got the missus. Little Alakai back there. Let's get it. Oh, right into the sun too. It's probably gonna look like ass on the GoPro. X3. Get you one, girl. Go ahead and get you one. Join the Beamer fam. Sounds really good. This is a nice little Audi right here. Is this a, yeah, we're here. What is this? Is it the RS?
It looks like a...
Okay.
Is it new?
Yeah, no, it's not new. It's an RS6. It's like the little hatchback. I think it's nice. Super nice, super nice. Fast.
My stomach like
Corvette, hop in a motherfucking jet like that. Red Rock Canyon. Reservation required. I hope not. Per vehicle, $15. Damn. Hello.
Hi. We close in less than an hour.
That's fine. We're just gonna do the drive-through. Okay. Yeah. You too. You too. Thank you. Scenic Loop Drive. All right, let's get it. We can stop real quick at where I stopped if you want to take pictures. See, that shit does not sound normal. Everyone's been hitting me up like, oh, bro, it's normal. I'm like, that shit is not normal.
Really?
Yeah, they're like, that's just a turbo spool. I'm like, nah, that's not how it used to sound, bro. Like, y'all listen to this. Hell nah. Yeah, it's like, it sounds like my turbo's like turning off or something. Y'all excuse the forehead. That GoPro head mount ain't no joke. That thing is straining my head. But I know this is a little different than what I usually do. Let me know how you guys like it. I'm just gonna start doing POV drives where I literally just get the GoPro on my head and just kind of go. I'm not gonna make all my videos like that, but I do want to incorporate some of that style video in my channel. Just for the simple fact that the POV drives are pretty cool. It's nice to see what people are seeing while they're driving. It looks really good. Oh, damn, this damn dog. But yeah, we're at Red Rock. It's a really nice area if you guys are in the Vegas area. There's more to Vegas than just casinos. As you guys can see, very nice scenery as well. Got a nice Corvette over there. They were just revving in it. Little boy on the loose. Damn, that sounded good. Dang. Light. But yeah, guys, so as far as that like noise that I'm talking about, let me see if I can like recreate it for you guys. So listen when I let go of the pedal. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but pretty much it just doesn't sound right. I think it might be something to do with my either my spark plugs or my coil packs. So what I'm gonna do is buy upgraded coil packs anyway, just because now that I'm pushing more power. If the coil packs don't fix the issue, then I'll maybe turn to spark plugs and get some new spark plugs. But someone did reach out to me on my Instagram, and they said that they kind of had a similar problem with a similar noise coming from their turbo. Turns out when they took it into BMW, they said that they found two bad coils. So hopefully by replacing the coils, it will fix that noise, because honestly it doesn't really feel like I lost power. I'm having a loss of power. The power is there, it just has that weird noise at the end. So hopefully that'll fix it. It goes on a scenic drive, spend the whole time on her phone. Well, just remember this is a one-way, so no one's coming this way, so just to let you know. Yeah, that makes you feel a little more safe.
Where are all the cars?
Yeah, no, everyone's going that way. No one's gonna come this way. I wouldn't be driving in the middle of the street if this wasn't a one-way. I know, for real, right? Looks like that back road.
Where's Sally in?
That was fun. Alright, yeah, we'll stop here real quick. Six hours left to win the BMW M4. Do y'all enter this? Do y'all enter the, what is it, the tuner colt giveaways? I tried like for 3 different cars and I lost, so not very lucky on these. Let's go. It's getting a little dark, so probably won't have too much more to record. Woo. Let's take this bitch. My biggest supporter right there. Oh, windy, windy. Feel like we back on the track, baby. Damn, it sounds good.
I don't want to go out like this.
Let me chill out. There's people here. There's people here. I hope this camera quality is not ass, because I know the GoPro is like terrible in low light settings.
Really?
Yeah. Might just call it good. Alright guys, I'm just gonna wrap up the video here. There's people in front of me and it's getting dark, and so before it gets really bad as far as the quality, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like this, just like straight POV, nothing else, because it was kind of fun and I'm trying to switch it up and try new things. So if you guys like content like this, let me know. If you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you didn't like this video already, go ahead and like this video. And as always, Matwire fam, remember your goals and don't stop till you reach them. Peace.
Excited just to see me, wish I felt the same way.